Hi everyone, Ron Crider reporting for duty today. Today I'm going to show you in 2 minutes how to use this little blood pressure monitor, the OMRON. It's Intelli, it's the 7 series, and here it is. And this is how you want to have your arm set when your arm wants to be parallel to your heart, as you can see. I'm going to show you here. Here's the unit. I'm standing in my living room. Make sure when you put it on your wrist, as you can see on the top of your wrist there, where open your hand up and you see it's on. Actually, I guess that's the bottom of the wrist, right? Okay, there you go. Put it on there. Don't make it too tight, don't make it too loose, just make it feel comfortable, tight enough that it's just a little bit snug. Now you're all ready to go, and the next thing you're going to do, make sure it's in place. You don't want to be standing up when you do this. You want to be sitting down. You don't want to have your legs crossed. Don't stand up like I am. That will cause you to have a reading that's not good. Then you push the start button, and there's a little start button. Now I've pushed the start button, and I'm showing you that I want it to be parallel to your heart. Okay, now it's beginning to take the reading, and it'll start getting tighter around your wrist. And there it is. There's my reading. Obviously it's high because I'm standing up. Now it's in there. Now the next thing you want to do is go to your iPhone. You've downloaded the app. You already have the app in there. And you go over there and bring it in, import it in, push the button, and you'll see it blinking up there on the right-hand side on the top. And voila, go to history. And it will show up on history, and there it is. There's that number that you just saw, that 155. It's as easy as that. It's very, very simple to do. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to tell you some more about this inexpensive little monitor. Less than $70. It's fantastic. Don't leave home without it. And by the way, give me a like if you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.